Good morning, students. Today we are going to complete whatever be the remaining questions of 7.1 and 7.2. In previous lecture, we completed so many questions of 7.1 and 7.2, but some are left. So therefore, today's topic is remaining questions of 7.1 and 7.2. Let us start from 7.1. In 7.1 summative assessment, question number 4 is left. Question number 4, exercise 7.1 summative assessment, B part, that I am going to complete. What is this? Find the largest 4-digit number which is a perfect cube. Find largest 4-digit number which is a perfect cube. But no special method of finding like this, we have to add something or subtract something from the cube root of the given number. No, only tensile method is left. In this question, what we have to find? We have to find the largest 4-digit number. Solution: largest 4-digit number is what? 9999. This is the largest 4-digit number. If we add 1 in this, then it becomes 5-digit. So bete listen ki what is the 4-digit numbers of the lowest number, I mean the smallest number, which is 4-digit and complete cube, that is 10 cube. It is the 1000. The lowest 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number is 1000, and that is the cube of 10. Now there is a lot of difference between this required number, largest 4-digit number, and 1000. So much gap is there. So let us try next. Let us try 20 cube. What is the 20 cube? 8000. 2 cube 8 and 10 cube is 1000. There is a small gap in this. Now try 21. 21 cube is 9261. So that the gap is very less. Now cube of 22. Try the cube of 22. 22 cube is, I calculated it. It is 10,648. It is 5-digit. It has 5-digit. But what we required, the largest 4-digit number, which is a perfect cube. So therefore 9261, that is the cube of 21, is largest 4-digit number which is perfect cube. This is in this way we solve the question number 4. Yes, student. Question number 1 of exercise 7.1 part B, I mean summative part. This question is what? Ki find the smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect cube. But I am again saying there is no any particular method to calculate such types of question. We can calculate the smallest 6-digit number which is a perfect square. In that questions there is particular method, but in these questions to find the particular cube no method is there. So how should we solve this? Solution is beta 50 cube. If we calculate the 50 cube is, it is 5 cube is 125 and 0, 10 cube is this one. 1,25,000. It is the 6-digit number. But what we required, smallest 6-digit number. Smallest 6-digit number is what? It is 1 lakhs. 1 lakhs is there, 5 zeros. So there is not too much gap. In 1,25,000 and 1 lakh, there is a small gap. So what should we try? The required number is nearby 50. So but it is greater than 1 lakhs. So therefore we should try at 49 cube. What is the 49 cube? That is 49 into 49 into 49. Multiply it. You will get what? 1,17,649. This is the cube of 49. Now gap is again somehow reduced. Then 48 cube. What is the 48 cube? This is 48 into 48 into 48. What will you get when you multiply 48 3 times? You will get 1,10,592. The gap is again reduced by 7,000. Let us try at 47. What is the 47 cube? 47 cube bete 1,03,832. Now let us check at 46 also. It might be less than that. 46 cube is what? 46 is 97,336. It is of 5 digit. The cube of 46 is 5 digit. Therefore the smallest 6 digit number which is a perfect cube is what? This one, 103,823. That is the cube of 47. This is the cube of 47. So this is the answer. So there is no any particular method to solve these types of question. Only you can try and try until and unless you get the answer. So clear it is? We also left question number 6 of formative assessment, part A. Question number 6 of part A, that is formative assessment. We also left it, 7.1. We left it in the previous lecture. What is this question? A part I am telling you. Some numbers are given and is asked ki how many from these, which one from these is not a perfect cube. You just tell them is not a perfect cube. Then there are two methods. Either you complete the prime factorization, just like 8, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. Is it a perfect cube or not? या तो आप इसके prime factor बनाओ. And if all the prime factors occurs in group of 3, then it will be a perfect cube, otherwise not. But in that you waste too much time. So one more method is there. You divide, try to find out the cube root of this number by using estimation method. So what is the estimation? You divide the given number in two groups. Of first group is of first 3 digits. First 3 digit का first group बनाओ. The remaining is in the group 2. So first group is 357. Cube root of this is what? देखो बेटे, in group 1 what is the unit digit? 7. I told you earlier the estimation method. Check the unit digit of the first group, 7. So what is the unit digit of its cube root? Unit digit of, I am writing again, unit digit of cube root of 857. 7 है ना यूनिट डिजिट, तो क्यूब रूट का यूनिट डिजिट 3 आएगा, बिकॉज 7 है तो 3 आएगा क्यूब रूट में, जस्ट लाइक क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27 इज 3. In the same way, if any number end at 7, then the unit digit of its cube root is this. Tens digit. What is the tens digit of cube root of this? Is what? Now leave it. After writing the unit digit of the group 1, you just take the second group, 857. Now you have to find such a number whose cube is just less than 857, and this is 9, because 9 cube is 729, and 729 is just less than 857. 10 cube is greater than 857, तो therefore क्यूब रूट को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस should be equal to, should be, I am not saying it is particular, should be 93, because tens place digit is 9 and units place is 3. So the cube root of this should be 93. Now check, what is 93 into 93 into 93 by actual calculation. If you find the product of this is this number, then it will be a perfect cube. But what is the product of these three numbers, 93, 93, 93, is this 804, 357. So it is not equal to, which is not equal to 857, 357, which is not equal to this. So therefore 8,57,357 is not a perfect cube. ये perfect cube नहीं है. Either you, if you don't want to solve it by this method, then you can try for the prime factors of this number also. And you know how can we find the cube root of a number by using prime factorization method. Otherwise, you try all the parts of question number 6 by using this method. Now let us take the remaining questions of 7.2. First of all, I want to discuss all the question. Question number 1 in 7.2, find the true or false, that is cube of a single digit number is always a single digit number. No, it is false, because cube of even 5 is 125. So it is not a single digit number. 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is always in 27, that is 2 digit number. But in this question he is asking कि single digit number का cube single digit में ही आता है. No, it is false. Second है cube of a number ending with 5 also ends with 5. Yes, it is true. C, a symbolic representation of a cube root is this. He is asking कि symbolic representation of cube root is this. No, it is the cube root, it is the symbolic representation of square root. What is the symbolic representation of cube root? It is this. This represent cube root. But in question it is asking कि this represents square root. No, that is wrong. That is false. Now next question. What is next? In first question, that is D part. A perfect cube always have even zeros of 0 at the end. नहीं बेटे, perfect cube पे even number of zeros नहीं होती. It is false. Just like 100. 100 is not a perfect cube. 1000 is a perfect cube. E part है, there is no perfect cube that ends with 2. It is false. ये कहता है ऐसा कोई नंबर नहीं है, परफेक्ट क्यूब हो और 2 पे एंड नहीं होता हो, इट इज़ फॉल्स, होता है बेटे ऐसे। एफ है क्यूब रूट ऑफ ए नेगेटिव इंटीजर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, इट इज ऑल्सो फॉल्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच 3 डिजिट नंबर इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर एज वेल एज ए परफेक्ट क्यूब। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में है विच परफेक्ट नंबर विच इज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वेयर नंबर दैट इज परफेक्ट क्यूब ऑल्सो and it should be of 3 digit. It is 729. 729 is the cube square of 27 also and cube of 9 also. So this is the number which is both 3 digit number, which is both perfect square as well as perfect cube. Now question number 3 is there. Which will of the ones digit of the cube root of the following numbers? Just like 1 15,000, 15 lakhs and 7,464. बेटे अगर हम इसका क्यूब करें तो व्हाट इज द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर? व्हाट इज द यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस नंबर? ओनली वी हैव टू टेल यूनिट डिजिट। बेटे 4 है तो लास्ट में 4 ही आएगा। देखो 1 हो तो उसके क्यूब रूट पे 1 आता है, 2 है तो 8 आता है और 8 है तो 2 आता है, 3 है तो 7 आता है। अगर नंबर में एंड्स विद 3 देन इट्स क्यूब रूट एंड्स विद 7 एंड इफ 7 पे एंड आता है तो 3 आता है, 5 पे 5 आता है, 6 पे 6 आता है, 8 पे 2, 2 पे 8 लाइक दिस, और 1 पे 1, 9 पे 9 बिकॉज द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 9 इज 729। ये नंबर्स रिपीट करते हैं। तो अब इन्हीं में से क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फर्स्ट पार्ट है वंस डिजिट इज 4, तो द क्यूब रूट वंस डिजिट इज ऑल्सो 4। बी पार्ट है 12,167, 12,167, तो इसके क्यूब रूट का वंस डिजिट क्या हुआ? 3, बिकॉज 7 इज देयर, 7 है तो 3 आएगा, 3 है तो 7 आएगा। In this way you can calculate everything, all the numbers. सेकंड में आई मीन सी पार्ट में 1 है यूनिट डिजिट गिवन नंबर का, तो उसके क्यूब रूट में 1 आएगा। इन दिस वे यू कैन ट्राई ऑल। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज व्हाट? 2744 इज ए परफेक्ट क्यूब। 2744 is a perfect cube. Yes, if we can solve it by using prime factors method also. और वैसे भी 2744, what is the group of changing into group? This is group 1 and the unit digit of this is 4, so therefore unit digits of its cube root is also 4. And what is the left over number 2? अब ऐसा नंबर है, यू हैव टू थिंक सच ए नंबर हुज क्यूब इज लेस देन 2, दैट इज 1, तो देयरफॉर 14 क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस इज 14। इफ यू चेक इट देन ऑल्सो इट वेरीफाई द आंसर, द प्रोडक्ट इज सेम। तो हेंस 2744 इज ए परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर। Now question number 3 of 7.2 summative assessment. Can a number with 3 digit have cube root of 2 digit number? How can it possible? कि any number which is in 3 digits and that cube root is of 2 digit? No, it is not possible. Because 1000 cube root is 10, so that is in 4 digit. फोर्थ है, इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर द क्यूब विद 10 डिजिट्स टू हैव ए क्यूब रूट ऑफ 5 डिजिट? इट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल कि 10 डिजिट्स का कोई नंबर है और उसका क्यूब रूट 5 डिजिट में है, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बेटे। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, जस्ट लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 and 4 ना, these are only up to oral question. These are question number 5. I am going to discuss that. Calculate this in fraction. It is, what is this? Cube root of 1.728. And if possible, बच्चे, you should learn all the cube roots just like cube of, what is cube of 8, what is cube of 7, cube root also. 1 to 20 तो क्यूब रूट भी याद रखो और क्यूब भी. द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 2.197 माइनस क्यूब रूट ऑफ 0.343. तो solve this, find the value of this. Beta, you too, that's why I am saying you should learn this. What is the cube root of, first you write, remove the decimal. What is the decimal? 1728 by 1000 minus cube root of 216 by 1000 upon, this is cube root of 2197 upon 1000 minus cube root of 343 upon 1000. This is the given question. Now write the values. Now if you know what is the cube root of 1728, then it will take very less time in solve. Otherwise you have to find that, calculate that, and then you can guess for. I am writing the next step on this space because space is not there, so I erase that. What is the cube of this? Cube root of 1728. The cube root of 1728 is 12. So keep in mind this. इसको याद रखो, then it is better. The cube of this is 12. Cube of this is 12 and cube of 1000 is, cube root of 1000 is 10. Cube root of 1728 is 12 and 1000 is 10. Now 216. What is the cube of 216 is 6 and 1000 is 10 upon the cube root of 2197 is 13 and 1000 is the cube root of 1000 is 10. Same here, 343 cube root is 3 and cube root of 1000 is again 10. So in this way we perform this question. Now taking LCM and then solve it. What is this? 12 minus 6 by 10, because 10 is LCM, divided by 13 minus 3 by 10. What will you get? 12 minus 6 is what? 6 upon 10, divide by 10 by 10. 13 by 3 is 10 by 10. This is what? 6 by 10, divide by 10 by 10, that is 1. So 6 by 10, divide by 1, no effect, or into 1 you can write. What is it? 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. Therefore the answer is 3 by 5 answer. So in this way you can solve all these questions. In the next also there are some numbers in the numerator and some in the denominator. So you should simplify all these like this in the same way. If any doubt is there, you can ask to me. Otherwise, all you can done. I want to tell you one more part, that is F part. Let us check that also. What is F part? Part F is the cube root of square root of 0.0064. 0.000064. What is the cube root of square root of this? So first let me find the square root of this. I want to write 64 upon what? Decimal को remove करो 1 से, 1 2 to 4 to 6 zeros, 1 4 and 6 zeros. The square root of this. The square root of 64 is what? 8 And what is the square root of 6 zeros? 3 zeros. 1000 is the square root of this 10 lakhs. Now cube root of this. Cube root of 8 is 2, and what is the cube root of 1000 is 10. So what is the answer? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 1 by 5, or you can say 0.2. So in this way, this is the F part of 5th question. So student, you should try like this. If any problem is there, we can discuss in Zoom meeting. Otherwise, only hot questions are left, that we will complete in that Zoom class also. Otherwise, you can try all these questions. But without your try, you can't achieve your goal. Written practice and try by your own, it is must. Okay then, thank you. Have a nice day.